in international markets, I think there's great opportunities in different pockets such as Japan, Europe, and India, where you have demographics working for you. You have corporate reforms taking place in some of these countries and in regions. And you also have the opportunity where valuations have simply been far left behind in the United States markets. Obviously, the US market over the last 15 years has been a dominant player, but in the decade before that, the pendulum had swung in the opposite direction. And I think you have a great opportunity to reassess where you want to be positioned. And the lower the valuations, the greater the opportunity. So in Japan, for example, you have the pendulum swinging from a deflationary environment over the last few decades to more of an inflationary environment. And that provides companies with the opportunity to potentially raise their prices and get some extra profit margins on that. You've had some corporate reforms going into play there, and a different interest rate environment where rates have been rising in Japan versus the US market. And so definitely some opportunities in that set. In Europe, you've had similar dynamics from government policy perspective where it's been more of a stimulating environment. And so there's an opportunity set there where there's companies based in Europe that can ride that wave of more of a stimulus impact. And then in a country like India, you have the dynamic of great demographic opportunities. You've had issues with the tariff dynamics with the United States playing out and being a lot of noise behind the scenes. And they can be a great opportunity to ride the long-term wave and get in with valuations in more of a depressed place they are now.